Being a small YouTube channel can actually feel like shouting into the void. No views, low comments, and the algorithm, oh my god, it barely knows you exist, right? But here's the truth. Every big creator you see today started where you are right now. Okay, this is how you survive the early days of your being small but growing. Okay, now I'm going to tell you some tips on how to survive being a small channel. The first thing is for you to expect the silence. Okay, expect a quiet start. The first thing you do is to embrace that silence. You are not alone. You are building. Every video you post is practice, and every thumbnail, every edit, every titles, it's all progress, guys. No audience, no problem. That's enough platform for you to experience. Enough room actually for you to try out different experiments. Do you understand me, guys? And the next thing is consistency over perfection. Okay, perfection kills progress, guys. Please always take that. Perfection kills progress. Don't be obsessed over the perfect views. Instead, but focus on showing up again and again and again. Once a day, once a week, once in every 2 weeks, once a month. Depends on what you can carry. Do you understand? Pick a schedule and stick to it. Your future audience is not looking for perfection, but rather they are looking for you. You guys, you heard me right. Your future audience and even your present audience, they're not looking for perfection, but they're looking for you just to show up so they can see you when they want to. Now the third thing is for you to learn the game. Don't chase the game, guys, but learn the game. Okay, yeah, title matters, thumbnail matters, watch time matters, and a lot of other things matters. But don't chase trends, guys, because when you do chase trends, you will get tired. You will get tired of running. So don't chase trends, guys. What you're going to do is going to try what works and then shape it into your own style. Shape it into your own style. All right. So during the process of learning the game, please be a student of YouTube, but also be a creator of YouTube. Do you understand me? Don't just be a mimic or a copycat. And now the next thing is for you to celebrate small wins. Guys, it's very important. No matter how small it is. Did you get 1 view? Did you get 10 views? It's someone else's dreams. Do you understand? If you got 20 views, 100 views, any amount of views you got, you have to celebrate it because 10 views is a classroom of people. Do you understand? That's a handful of engagement already. So someone liked your video. That's connection. You should be happy about that. Celebrate it. Do you understand me? Celebrate your small victories so that when the bigger ones come, you will see how far you've grown, guys. Because those small victories are the signs that your channel is working and that you are growing. Now, the fifth point is for you to build and then connect. Build and connect. That's the fifth point, guys. How do you build and connect? By replying to your comments. Support other small creators, guys. It's very important. Don't ignore people. On your way to success, also support other people that have the same notion as you. You understand? Be a part of the community you want to grow in. Don't segregate yourself. Don't feel neglected or feel like you don't want to belong to any community. Just please function generally around your niche and other small creators. Because sometimes YouTube feels lonely, but there are thousands of people like you out there who are building quietly just like you. And together we can all grow. So guys, feel free to support me as I will also support.
Guys, it was during editing that I realized that from this point onwards, my mic was off. God, this is the whole trouble that comes with the job, guys. You have to be very careful. Can you imagine? I mean, what I was saying is that you can feel free to support me and I will still support you, okay? And now the last point is that you should think about the long game, okay? Success on YouTube is not sudden, okay? It's slow, it's steady, it's earned. Guys, for most people it's fast, but generally it's slow, it's steady, and it's earned. All you have to do is keep going, please, even when it's hard. In fact, especially when it's hard, because one day someone will find your channel and they will watch everything that you've been creating all along. Do you understand? And that someone, trust me, they can come in millions, because imagine different people finding out about your channel and watching all of the videos you've been creating, and they will be glad and appreciative and thanking you for not quitting. Okay, so please guys, don't quit. Please, let's keep doing what you're doing. And if you're still watching to this point, it means you've already proven you care. Okay, please, now let's join the family by subscribing to this channel and liking this video, guys. Thank you all for watching today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.